Ice cream sundaes. 1 or 2 scoops, please. Ice cream is great. Ice cream toppings are great. The toppings can be syrup. Chocolate and strawberry syrup are good. The toppings can be nuts. Peanuts and almonds are good. The toppings can be candy. Candy bars and brownies are good. The toppings can be fruit. Strawberries and bananas are good. The topping can be whipped cream. It goes on top. Ice cream sundaes are in bowls. Big bowls and small bowls are used. Ice cream sundaes are in glasses. Pretty glasses are used. Ice cream sundaes need a spoon. They may need a straw too. Ice cream sundaes are very cold. They are great on hot days. Ice cream sundaes are sweet. They are a sweet treat. Ice cream sundaes are pretty. This one has hearts. Ice cream sundaes are in shops. They are also sold from carts. Ice cream sundaes are yummy. They are a great treat.